Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn about algebraic identities and factorization of polynomial. Factorization is not gonna complete on a single class, so it will continue. But today we will focus on algebraic identities, okay? And after that we will focus on the factorization. So let us know what are the formulas or what are the algebraic identities we will require to solve this kind of mathematics. Okay, let us see. First is, as you know, that a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This you already know. Next, a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Next, regarding the square formulas, there are more square formulas are there, like a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Then there are next formulas like 4ab is equals to a plus b whole square minus a of minus b whole square. Okay, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. 4ab is equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Next, ab is equal to a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. This is okay. Now, one more formula you should know regarding this square is a plus b plus c. What if this given? This will be equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, so a plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now, regarding this, these are the basic square formulas which you should know. In class 9, these are the basic formulas you should know. Okay, there are so many formulas are there, but don't worry, these are the basic formulas. Let's see what are the cube formulas. Cube formulas like a plus b whole cube is equal to, what is it? A plus b whole cube is equal to, you know, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, or we can write a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. Okay. Next is a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube will be equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab of a plus b. Okay, or a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b minus 3a b square. This is the formula. Okay, have I written something wrong? If I written something wrong, tell me. I think I have written something wrong. Can you find out where I have written the wrong formula? Anyone? Anyone? See, this sign, this is, I have written wrong. This will be minus 3ab, minus 3ab into a minus b, minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay, that makes this as plus. Okay, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, that is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b into 3ab square, that is plus 3ab square. Okay, now let us know some more formulas on algebraic identities. That is, a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, or a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Next, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A square plus ab plus b square. This is the formula. One more formula you will inquire, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, if a plus b plus c equals to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be equals to thrice abc. These are the basic formulas you can write on your copy, that is you will need. Okay, that is you will need. And regarding some of students says to solve one polynomial, that is x plus 2 into x minus 1, that will I'll solve, no matter, first concentrate today's class. Okay, so these are the algebraic identities formula first of all. So you have to remember these formulas. Okay, you can write in your copy. These formulas are the basic formulas that you want, that you will be required regarding class in the class 9. Okay, so these are the basic things. Now let us concentrate on the factorization. Let us concentrate on the factorization. We will start the factorization by taking out the common factors. Okay, factorization by taking out the common factors. First, let's start with the easiest one. Okay, first one is 4a square plus 8b square c. These are the factorization by taking out the common factors, by taking out the common factors. Okay, here you can see the common factor is there only 4. Since here it is 4 and it is 8, so we can take common 4, a square plus 2b square c. Okay, this is simple, just one line factorization, nothing else. Okay, then there are things like that a minus b whole to the power 4 plus b minus a whole cube. Okay, this can be solved as a minus b whole to the power 4. First thing that it is a minus b, it is in b minus a, so we have to convert this in the form of a minus b. So if I take the minus as common, then it will be a minus b. Okay, from this only b minus a I am taking common minus, so it is a minus b. Now if this minus comes out, then it will be minus, plus into minus minus, then it is a minus b whole cube. Okay, now we can take common a minus b whole cube, and this will be a minus b, from this is a minus b will be remain, and from this 1. So this is the factorization. Okay, these are quite simple factorization, isn't it? Now let us solve this, that a into a plus b whole cube minus 3a square b into a plus b. Now how do we solve this? Students, pay attention here, pay attention while I am solving this. Okay, you can take, see here a into a minus b is there, here also a and a minus b is there, so common is a into a minus b. I am taking the common first, a into a minus b, and then if I am taking here a into a minus b, what is remain? A minus b whole square. So I have written a minus b whole square, then minus, here it is, if I take a, then it will be 3ab, and a plus b is there, so it will be only 3ab. Okay, so next what will we do? Next, simply we will write the square of a plus b whole square, and the formula of a plus b whole square is this, what I have written. Okay, now see, plus 2ab minus 3ab, so it will be a into a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. This is the answer. Okay, Astha Gupta is saying plus b not minus b. Which is plus b not minus b? Okay, then the next factorization we will going to solve, like in this category, another one in this category is 3x minus 4 whole square minus 6x plus 8. So 3x minus 4 whole square. See, 3x minus 4, we will not do the square. If we take 2 common, minus 2 common, then it will be 3x minus 4, this one. Okay, so then we can take common 3x minus 4 and we can write 3x minus 4 minus 2, isn't it? This, from this we have taken common. Now 3x minus 4 into 3x, here it is minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. Okay, so these are the basic factorization by taking out the common factors. By taking out the common factors. Now, next is factorization by grouping terms. Factorization by grouping the terms. This is as simple as the previous one. A little bit difference is there, very little. Let us see. First is a square plus 6b plus 3a plus 2ab. Try to solve in your copy also. Try to solve this thing. A square plus 6b plus 3a plus 2b. A square plus 6b plus c. Here from the first we have to group this or rearrange this thing. How? See, if we write this thing in this way, that a square plus 2ab plus 3a plus 6b, then a's are arranged. Okay, so by rearranging, okay, so from the first two, here you have to notice, if we take this from all the a's common, then there will be no factorization, since 6 in the 6b there is no a. So what we will do, we take the a common from the first two, that is a plus 2b. Now if you take 3 common from these two, it will be 3 as common, then a plus 2b. See, now a plus 2b is common for both, so we will take a plus 2b as common and a plus 3 will remain. Understood this? Understood this? Now, if anyone doesn't understand, tell me, then I will go to next math quickly. Okay, then I think you have understood. Then proceed to the next. X plus 2 into x square plus 25 plus 10x square plus 20x. This is our next question. Okay, how we are going to solve? See, here if you think, here if you take 10x common from these two, here it will be remain x, here it will be 2, so x plus 2, so that means x plus 2 into x square plus 25 plus, if I am taking 10x common, then here it will be remain x, here it will be 2. Okay, so from this x plus 2 is common, so x plus 2 into x square plus 25 plus 10x. This will be our answer. This is clear? Should I go to the next math? Should I go to the next? Okay, I think you have understood. So I am going to the next math. Next math is 1 plus A plus B plus C plus AB plus BC plus CA plus ABC. Okay. To solve that, 1 plus A plus B plus C plus AB plus BC plus CA plus ABC. To solve this thing, what will we do? We will simply rearrange this thing first. 1 plus A plus B plus AB plus C plus AC plus BC plus ABC. First we have arranged the AB, then we are arranging the AC or C related, then last the ABC. Okay. Now from the first two we taking 1 as common. See, from the first two, from these two we are taking 1 as common. Okay, so it will be 1 plus 1 plus A. Okay, from this we are taking B as common, so it will be also 1 plus A. Okay, then from these two we are taking C as common, then 1 plus A also. From this we are taking BC as common. I am writing here BC as common, then here it will be 1 plus A. So it will be 1, if I take 1 plus A, the terms I take common, then it will be 1 plus B plus C plus BC. This is our answer. Okay, this is our answer. So understood? Then I am moving to the next. The next math is factorization of perfect square polynomials. Factorization of perfect square polynomials. Okay, factorization of perfect square polynomials. First question is 9x square plus 24xy plus 16y square. Okay, so since the term says the perfect square, that means this will be a perfect square. Now we have to find out what the perfect square is. So it will be 3x whole square plus 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x. 2 into 3 means 6x, then it will be 4y plus 4y whole square. So it is 3x plus 4y whole square equals to 3x plus 4y into 3x plus 4y. Okay, the factorization term means you have to express one algebraic expression into the product of two or more algebraic expression. Okay, like here I am expressing 9x square plus 24xy plus 16y into two algebraic expression product, that is 3x plus 4y into 3x plus 4y. Okay. Now let's see another type, that is b square by a square plus 2 plus a square by b square. Here it will be b square by a square plus 2 plus a square by b square. Now that is how we are going to solve this thing. First, b by a whole square plus 2 into b by a into a by b plus a by b whole square. Now why b by a into a by c? It will cancel each other and remaining 1. That means 2 into 1 means 2. That's why I have written this. Okay. So it will be b plus a by b whole square. That is b by a plus b into b by a plus a by b. This is the factorization. Okay. Now next in this category is, let's see some more tough, okay, some more tough thing. Another question is a square by 4b square minus 1 by 3 plus b square by 9a square. Okay. Now to solve this, what will we do? A by 2b, we can write this a square plus 4b square as a by 2b whole square. Okay. Plus this thing I am going to write. That is b by 3a whole square. Okay. Now 1 by 3, I am going to write 1 by 3. Suppose if I am writing at 2 into a by 2b into b by 3a. Note here carefully, I am trying to write a square plus b square minus 2ab. That is, I am want to apply here a minus b whole square formula. Okay, a minus b whole square formula. But to apply this, we need a square we have plus b square we have. A minus b whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab, isn't it? So we have compared this thing. A square term we have, b square term we have, minus 2ab we need. So if it is a, if it is b, so minus 2ab we have written here. But we need 1 by 3 also, minus 1 by 3. How minus 1 by 3? Now 2. If 2 by 2 into 2, it is cancel each other. B cancel each other. A cancel each other. What remains? Only denominator 3 and the numerator is 1. So it remains 1 by 3. Understand? Now I am going to proceed. So it will be a plus a by 2b minus b by 3a whole square. That is a by 2b minus b by 3a into a by 2b minus b by 3a. Okay. Okay. Here if someone don't understand, sir, how can we know that we have to write this? First, look at it as a formula. Try to compare this thing with a formula. We have a square, we have b square. What we don't have is minus 2ab. We have to express this 1 by 3 into minus 2ab. So we have the a term, we have the b term. Here we write just simply first we have written that minus 2 into a by 2b into b by 3a. Okay. So if we have written minus 2ab term, if from this 1 by 3 doesn't come, then we will have to add or subtract something. Okay. But let's see, see A and A will be cancel each other, B and B, 2 and 2 cancel. So what remain, the denominator 3 will be remain, and in the numerator minus 1. So see, minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3 is there. That's why I have written this. Okay, understood? Now, since we have understood, we are going to proceed to the next type of factorization. Okay. Don't worry, today we will not going to proceed many types of. This is the whatever the types I am going to show. It will be few, very few maths, and in your RS Agarwal or NCERT many things are there. Okay, many things are there. Next day we will proceed to the middle term factor. Today this type will be our last for the today's video. Okay, let's see. Factorization. The difference of two squares. The difference of two squares. Now with this, can you remember what formula we are going to apply? We are going to apply this formula: a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This formula we are going to apply. This formula we are going to apply: a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Now let's see what are the questions. First question is, in this category the maths are going to be little bit difficult. Suppose it is given p square minus 25q square. Okay, so it will be p whole square minus 5q whole square. So it will be p plus 5q into p minus 5q. Okay, students, for the factorization my suggestion is, whatever the book, whatever the homework I have given, I am giving very few homeworks, and whatever the book, suppose you have NCERT or RS Agarwal, try to solve that book. Try to solve that book, each and every math. Whatever you have problems, you capture or the text, means take a snapshot of the question from your book, okay, and send it to the math group. Okay, so that in each Saturday, I am thinking that in each Saturday I am going to conduct a doubt clearing class of whole week. Okay, a doubt clearing class of whole week. In that doubt clearing class, I will solve all this kind of answer, and if it is possible that in each day video I can solve, then I can also solve this. Okay, but as I think that Saturday I can conduct a doubt clearing class if it is possible. Okay, so if you have problems, send it to me to the maths group. Okay, now proceed to the next. That is, if the question is given in such a way that a square minus b square plus 2a plus 1, then what will we do? Simply we will first rearrange, that is a square plus 2a plus 1 minus b square. If you notice it properly, a square plus 2 into a into 1 plus 1 square, we can write this into this, and minus b whole square. So it will be a plus 1 whole square minus b whole square. Now see, compare this. So it will be a plus 1 plus b into a plus 1 minus b. In place of a, here is a plus 1. Okay, so there nothing to be done. So this will be our answer. Okay, next thing is, take a little bit tough, that p to the power 4 plus 1 by p to the power 4 plus 1 will be equals to, what should I do? First let's try to convert this whole to the power 4 into the square like thing. We get a square plus b square. We need 2ab term. So we are writing 2 into a means p square into b means 1 by p square. Now if you see p square will cancel out, what remain plus 2, but in the question it is plus 1. That means here we have one more. So we are going to subtract 1. Okay. So it will be p square plus 1 by p square whole square minus 1. Then 1 square we can retain as, so it will be p square plus 1 by p square plus 1 into p square plus 1 by p square minus 1. Okay. Understood? Next, is x to the power 6 minus y to the power 6. This will be x cube whole square minus y cube whole square. So it will be x cube plus y cube into x cube minus y cube. Okay. This formula. Now here, who doesn't understand, if anybody is not understand, then x cube equals to a, y cube equals to b, then a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. That formula we have placed here. Okay. So x cube plus y cube. X cube, what is the formula of x cube plus y cube? X plus y into x square plus x square plus xy plus y square. Is it correct? Tell me. I have written this formula in the just today. Is it correct or not? Then I can check that whether your conception about the formula is correct or not. Have I written the correct formula or not? Tell me. See, regarding this formula, generally where plus is there we write all the plus, and where minus is there we write maximum minus. But my friends, here a little bit twist is there. X cube plus y cube formula is x plus y. No matter x plus, this will be plus. But this plus will not be there. This will be minus. Okay. And this will be minus, but this will all plus. Okay. This is the formula. This is the formula. Now remember this. Okay. Now just simply we will write it and arrange x plus y into x minus y into x square minus xy plus y square into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, this is the formula, or this is the solution. So today, up to this, next day we are going to solve another kind of factorization, or if you have the RS Agarwal, then we will solve also factorization from the RS Agarwal also. Okay, first let us know that different types of what are the types of the things, then we will consider the next. Okay, so write down, or don't need to write down today's homework. Okay, since you have the RS Agarwal or the books, try to solve some factors from any book. Try to solve some factors from any books. You have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 days. Try to solve some factors from any books. Those who have the RS Agarwal, can try the maths of RS. Those who have the RS Agarwal can try the math of exercise 3A and 3B and tell me if there is any problem. Okay, and we can conduct a doubt clearing class on Saturday. Okay, the time I will let you know. If many problems, suppose if generally if you can try, then there will be many problems you will find out. And if are just problems like the previous day one student has sent me that number system problems are there, plotting the rational number on the number line, that problems I send him a message that I will conduct a video over it. I also conduct the video. Okay, but if you have also a problem, then you can also send it to the group. I will try to solve it in the doubt clearing class. If many are there, I will conduct a doubt clearing class. Okay, so for today, bye. Thank you.